Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Buttross. I'm a developmental behavioral pediatrician at the University of Mississippi Medical Center and also District 7 Vice Chair for the American Academy of Pediatrics. So, I'm here today to talk to you about some of the anxiety that we're all feeling with this COVID-19 pandemic that's going on. Anxiety is one of those things that's really normal at this point right now. And as a mother, a daughter, a grandmother, a wife, a friend, and a pediatrician who has many people that I care about, I feel anxiety, and I get it that you do also. But what I want to do is talk to you today about a technique that I find very useful in helping with managing some of that anxiety. So it's called the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. So this is the way it goes. Get yourself into a quiet space. It can be outside, it can be in your den or in your kitchen, whatever is a space that you can find some peace for just a few minutes, and that's all it takes. Okay, the next thing you do is, once you're quiet and settled, identify 5 things that you see. It might be the picture hanging on the wall. It might be the tree that you see outside of your window. It might be the grains on the table. But really see them, those 5 things, and break them down into their color, their texture that you see, any kind of variation that you see. Okay, the next thing you do is identify 4 things that you can touch. Okay, so that might be the leaf on a plant that you have, and you can touch and feel the textural difference. It might be your sweater that you have and the softness that you feel, or the texture of your hair. But 4 things that you can touch, and really touch them and feel the way they feel. Make your brain describe what you're feeling. Okay. The next thing that you do is identify 3 things that you can hear. It may be the rain that you hear outside on the patio. It may be the sound of your dishwasher whirring. It may just be the rustle of leaves. Whatever it is, make yourself stop and listen to what you're hearing. Okay. Next, identify 2 things that you can smell. It may be the smell of rosemary. It may be the smell of your coffee in your coffee cup. Or it may be just the smell of the air around you. But break it down, make yourself think about what you're smelling, and really enjoy the aromas that are coming in. And then the one thing is that one thing that you can taste. Again, it could be something sweet that you taste, a peppermint. It might be the taste of that rosemary against your tongue. Or it might be the taste, the aftertaste still in your mouth from that coffee. Whatever it is, make yourself really think about the taste. So, now we've gone through 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? And what's happened while we're going through that? Well, I'll tell you what's happened. You haven't been able to think about what happened yesterday, or what happened 15 minutes ago, or what might happen in the future. You are pulling yourself back to the center. You're grounding yourself. You're making yourself calm. And what that does is it lowers your blood pressure. It lowers your heart rate. It takes away that fight or flight anxiety for a little while. Calming, right? And so I would recommend that you try this for yourself. You teach it to anybody around you who's struggling with a little bit of anxiety. And just keep in mind that that's one thing you can control, is how you are right now in the present. So I hope you'll try this. I hope you'll keep it in mind. I hope you'll stay safe. Remember, the distancing for safety doesn't mean that you have to socially distance. Physically distance those 6 feet, but don't socially distance. You can Skype, you can WebEx, you can Zoom, you can FaceTime, or you can just do a phone call. But stay connected to people. And if this technique doesn't work for you, I ask you to please reach out for help. Stay safe, stay well, and take care.